Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be playing some BONELABS, which is a little bit different. I know I don't actually think I have any VR content on my channel, but I thought why not put it out there at some point, you know? So I just downloaded some mods. I want to go take a look at them, you know? We're just going to do Lost because I think that was almost... Whoa, oh, I forgot it does that. It's insane. Yeah, no, I feel like it's not working. The audio is not right now. I might need to get like a clip-on mic for VR games. Actually, like genuinely, that might be this only solution I can think of. I'm okay. Well, probably. Okay, I heard noise. That's okay. Okay. Let me get this back on my head. All right, let's see. So we're in some sort of like forest area. There's a little monkey here. Hey, no, show me. Hey, head up. Hey, chin up. Oh, that's no, wrong. No, hey, whoa. Monkey. Hey, fuck you. Dude, come on, man. Just look me in the eye. Look me in the eyes. Okay, there's a monkey here. I'm gonna bring him with me. I think we want to bring this monkey with us. It seems like the right thing to do. So we're just in some sort of forest here. With an axe. You know what? Okay. I'm gonna lay you right here. Oh, hey, okay, there we go. I'm assuming we probably want to go. Oh, hey, it's my microphone. Dude, I am not surprised. Okay, just not right here. Not in front. Okay. Alright. There's a dude in here. I don't know where I am or why I'm at this cabin. Or why he's here, but I'm assuming we don't want him around, so I'm just gonna... Hey. Please don't, like, make this difficult, dude. We're just, okay. Okay, come on. There we go. No, hey, whoa, give me my axe back. I'm just trying to get through, man. Fucking calm down. Okay. That's my microphone again. Okay. This is going to be a very consistent theme, but I seem to have a shotgun. 5? Yeah, 5. Okay, come on. Okay, come on. Fine, you know. I'm gonna do this. That's the microphone again. It hurts too, that's the worst part, is it also injures me. No, there's nothing in there. Alright, let's just punch this open. Alright, wasn't there another way here? I don't want to keep going without checking this, because that feels like the right way to go. And this feels like maybe a dead end? Is it? Okay, this just leads there, I think. Alright, let's keep going, pal. Can I put them in my inventory? I'm not surprised. Alright, let's go. Oh, we can't go in there. Oh, interesting. Okay. by the eyes. Just fully grabbing onto him. Yeah, it's just what happens. It's just what it is. It's what it is, pal. Just gotta deal with it. I don't know why I'm doing this voice, but I'm doing this voice. Well, shit. What the fuck? I'm missing something, aren't I? So, wait, do we get in through the window? Do we climb over this rock? You know... Hey, okay, look at me. Hey, whoa. Hey, that's the leg. Okay, man, you're really making this more difficult than it has to be. This is your fault. Hey, okay, here's the deal. You lead the way. You tell me where to go, okay? And if you're wrong, execution, man. Execution. This is where we're going, apparently, according to the monkey. Ugh. Okay. You're going in first. Okay. We're in. I'm just gonna... Hey, whoa! I hope you like the... Okay, come on. Come on. I just, like, that's really just not necessary. I don't know if I want to keep this weapon. It seems like it sucks, but I will. For the time being, you led me to the right way. I'll forgive you, and I hope viewers at home are having a good time listening to the microphone getting punched. It's an accurate representation of what it would be like. Okay. Please don't. Yeah, just don't do that. How do I get my gun? Okay, I don't want that. Whoa, hey. Okay. Yeah, okay, that's cool. I figured out how to get my gun. We need a name for you. What's your name? I'm feeling Michael. Okay, Michael, it's time. Ugh. You did a good job there, Michael. Go again. Go again. Oh. Oh. Okay, you know what? We're gonna arm you, Michael. Oh. Yeah, that was him. That was all him. Okay, we're just gonna... Are you dead? Okay. I didn't hear the death noise, but yeah, I just really trying to figure out where I am. Avoid spill. Is that true? Is that okay? If you say so, I'm just gonna sneak through. Okay, nope, back down I go. Yeah, there's a lot of those actually. I'm just gonna. Hey man. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay. There we go. Oh, and it still didn't go in my... Okay, come on. Come here. We're just gonna put you like that. So I'm still not sure who these people are, whether they're trying to attack me or where I am, but I do have Michael with me. So, things are good. You know. Seems to be some spillage of sorts. Do I lose? Should I go down this hole? I guess I don't really have anywhere else to go. Well, we're okay. Lost two. I'm not sure if we lose Michael. I hope not. I hope not. I've grown quite fond of him. Whoa. Okay. It's Michael. Hey, pal. How's it been? How's it been? Hey, chin, dude. Chin up. Holy shit, Michael. What the fuck, dude? Jesus Christ. This dude. Oh, I have no ammo. Oh shit, they took my ammo away. Why did they give me the gun? That feels like a bad idea. Okay. Well, Michael, it's a little bit of a punishment for okay, yeah, that's a big punishment now. Okay. Didn't get it, Michael. We're gonna have to get through those bricks to escape, okay? Because there's that dude there. And there's watermelon and a knife. He's cutting a melon. So we should probably stop him. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, dude. Hey, dude. Hey, man. It's okay. It's good. It's good. Hey. Listen. We could both escape together. We're both in a cell. Michael, don't watch what's about to happen, Michael. Is he dead? Yeah. Okay. Okay, Michael. It's okay now. Just don't close your eyes for a moment. Just don't look at the floor. Okay. Let's just okay, we're good now. Okay. Well, they really don't. I would like to have a light and a weapon, but we have Michael, so we're kind of limited in our options here, so it's one or the other, not both, right? Okay, come on. It's okay. It's okay. We're good. We're okay. This is very inconvenient to have a monkey with you. Okay, Michael, we're just gonna. Oh! No, 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 no. Okay, here. Here's what we're gonna do. Okay, 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 okay. Oh! Come on, Michael. Come on, dude. You gotta get off there. I can't leave you behind. Yes, okay. Okay. We're gonna use this. Just give us some more leverage here. Yeah, I can't really get that on my own, actually. I'm just gonna... Oh, okay. Okay. Up a little bit more. Almost there. There we go. Okay. I'm just gonna... Okay. Pull ourselves through. No, come on. We're almost there. Okay. Okay, okay. Oh, fuck. Oh, God. It's caught on something. I'm caught on something. Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's not good. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, no. I'm in the ground. Oh, no. Oh, Michael. Michael, no. What do I do? Is this supposed to happen? Probably not. If I... No, I can't walk into the hole. I could grab Michael. Where's my hand that's fully under the ground at this point? Look at this. Check this out. Alright, we'll be right back, I think. Okay, we're back. I'm back in my cell. I'm just gonna quickly go back to where I was. Oh, already doing it. Dude, literally, I don't know what you mean it's all my fault. Like, I am actively breaking out. We could... That's my microphone again. We could break out together, but no, 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 no. That would make too much sense, wouldn't it? Wouldn't it, pal? Wouldn't it? It would be make too much sense, wouldn't it? Yeah, no. Oh, okay, good, okay, good. I'm just gonna... You lay down this way, I think. Just like, yeah, okay. No, over. You fucking stupid monkey. Michael is my demons, actually. He's a manifestation of everything I fear, everything I hate. This goddamn monkey. Okay, let's get... Oh, that's my microphone. That's my microphone. Over. No! Over. Oh, stop it. Over. Stop it. Over. Okay, we're gonna grab something and then we're gonna use this to get a little bit over. No. Okay, I feel like I could reach that. I feel like I should be able to reach that if I jump and grab, and then... Oh, you're so close. Yes. Push. Okay, let's go. That's good enough, I think. We're just gonna gently... Okay, you're gonna go there. I'm gonna go on top. Those are my feet on the platform. My body is not under it. Okay. I need to bend down, grab Michael, and we're gonna stay... Okay, we made it. Okay. Let's grab the shotgun. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, yeah, okay. I just didn't hear a noise. It made a noise last time. You, my friend, you are about to be Michael'd. Hi. I don't know what you're gonna do about this. I'm up here and you're down there, but Hey! Oh shit! Okay. Um. Oh yeah, I was not. Shit. Okay. Yeah. No, I'm fine. I'm fine. Like, I just wasn't ready for that. Okay. I'm just gonna. You stay right there. I'm just gonna do something. Okay, come on. Just give me water, man. There we go. I hit my microphone for it, so you guys are the water. Okay, that I don't even know what I. That's my drink. Here's some good watermelon. Hey, you want a snack, Michael? Just yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. There we go. I'm just gonna poke this door, see what happens. And it might. Okay, I feel like it's wood. It would at least stab in a little bit, and it wouldn't sound so metallic. Oh, hey, you're bleeding, and you're a skeleton. I'm just gonna make sure the bloody skeleton is dead. Why am I here? Why did they put me in a jail cell? Why did I come down here? And what am I doing? What's my purpose, you know? Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Okay. No, okay, that works. So I didn't... Okay. Well, there's another light. I feel like it's unnecessary to have two. Plus, I need to bring my monkey with me, so it's not gonna happen. Alright, Michael, unless you fuck with me one more time, you piece of shit. Ow! It's just straight towards the middle. I feel like it's, no matter where I put it, the microphone's in the way. Like, I could put it above, but what if I'm hitting up there? It's just gonna be what happens. It probably. Maybe it's funny. I'll see later. Okay, let's just get through. Let's just get out of here. Let's just break out and maybe go back to the nice forest I'd like to do. Okay. Nice and quick. And it won't go back. Okay, how do I get this back easily? Like, because over the shoulder is the one. There's the over shoulder. But I don't know where this equips, and I can't figure that out. Like, I thought it would be straight back, but... Well, now it's gone. Michael, where... Do you see it? Where did my knife go? What? Is it... What? What? Wait, what? Is it... Hello? Excuse me? I liked that weapon. That one was good. I liked using it. What? What the fuck? Hey, comment if you see it. So I don't. I just don't see it. I just don't see it. Here's like a nice pan. It's my face. I keep hitting it. Here's a pan. Pan. If you see it, let me know. Because I don't. Anything for my monkey. Stay down. Okay, man. You could have like played dead. Hey, you're looking lively. That was a drop shotgun show. Oh hey. Okay. Hey, let's start to cook. We're just gonna pick you up. See, why would they give us shields? They should know we're gonna pick the monkey up. Can I? I'm sorry, this is gonna hurt, dude. I'm just gonna do it right. Oh, I can. Oh no. I'm so sorry. It's a necessary evil. Can we like... Oh no. Oh, he's kind of sliding off a bit. Maybe like Oh, no, no. Okay. Ah, I feel bad. I feel really bad. He's okay. He kind of deserves it. I think. He deserves this a bit. Okay, no, I liked it in the other spot more. Oh, and he fell. You're okay. You're okay. Stop. Hey, stop it. You're fine. This is really cool music for me pinning a monkey to my shield. Okay, fine. Fine. You could... Okay, it's gonna hurt. He's inanimate. I don't think it hurt him. I think it's okay, guys. Okay. Okay, hey. Okay, that missed. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Okay, I dropped it. Okay, I did it again. What? I used to be so good at that. There we go. Oh. No, I don't want a steak knife over this thing. Okay, I'm gonna practice this real quick. It's too much. I'm doing it too much. It looked cool that one time I did it mid-combat, but it seems it's like unreplicatable all of a sudden. Which sucks, because I used to be good at it. Or is it up? Oh, it's up. Yeah, that's how you do it. You go up with it. Like up to an angle. Okay, wait. But I am down. I want to try it. Okay, we're gonna go like this. Can I not? Okay. So I want to try getting it the other direction too, because this one's easier, it seems. Okay, that was close. I'll give it up. Okay, we should just keep going. We're gonna take the left path, because left is always right. Left is always full of watermelons. This is a watermelon storage. Okay. This music's really hitting. Oh shit, this is their sleeping quarters. Hey, you're good. You're good, man. You're good. Go back to sleep. Go. Your neck not looking too good. Sure. Okay. You're living. Okay. See. Okay. Hey. Okay. Okay. Stop it. Stop it. Fuck him. Fuck him up, Michael. Nice. Nice job. Oh, you can see the stab wounds. That's right where the stab was. We're gonna grab you by the leg. Oh, I didn't even see this. Whoa. Of course. Okay. Of course, it's another one of these. They're very inconvenient for me. Sure. Oh, hey, wait, come back. I'm sure we're almost there, Michael. Sure, we're almost there. We're going for a bit. We gotta be able to get out of here soon. Oh, shit. Oh, that missed. 1 second. Yeah, that's a little bit better. Well, that doesn't go in. Okay. And, I don't even know what I'm hitting half the time anymore. It's something, and that's all I need to know. Oh, that's how you access that. Okay, well... Dude... How am I gonna get this monkey up here with me? You stay right there. There's a lot of dropping and picking stuff up, it seems. That's the theme of the day past the mics. Past the hitting the microphone. It is... Okay, I stopped dropping shells everywhere I go. They're gonna know where I am. They're gonna know how I got out and where to find me. That... No! Stop! Michael, you make everything worse. I hope you know. Okay. Okay, we're almost there. They need to stop dropping torches. Like, I wasn't carrying it before. I get that they're doing it, like, because you supposedly dropped it. Well, how? How am I bringing this monkey with me? Oh, this is going to be precarious. Alright. Here we go. Just don't... You dare. Hey, stay. Oh, God. I just gotta reach a little bit further. Or grab onto this platform, but he's here, so I can't. Okay. A little bit further. You can go right here, I think, and then I go here. And then Oh no! Oh no! 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 You stay! You stay! Oh, I could have put him right there. Okay. Okay. Wait. This is where we're going. You stay right there. Okay. Grab on. Oh no. Oh, we're almost there. We're almost there. Okay. Just a little bit more. Down and 1, 2. Pull ourselves up and. Whew. Thought I fell off for a second. Okay, we're up. No! You don't. Okay, dude, come on. There's so much climbing. No. He almost fell. I caught him. That would hurt. Not like I've not subjected him to various forms of pain, but. Okay, why can't. Oh. Why is my strength so bad all of a sudden? Oh. I could barely pick myself up. Oh, I'm dropping. I'm dropping. I'm falling. Oh, my head's in Michael. I gotta do it all again. I can't do that though, can I? No. Not even worth trying. What do I do? What do I do with this monkey? Maybe I put him on the one my hand is on. Ooh, yeah, I like that idea. Swear if I get up here, there's another climbing section. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. Oh, quick. Okay. He almost fell there. Get Michael on top if we can. Yes. Alright. And up and on top. Okay. Another one of these. Is anyone down there? Guess we'll find out. Michael, go first. We're probably okay. Oh, please. Oh, okay. There we go. Thank you for investigating. Hope it didn't hurt too much. Stab one's gone. Go. Michael? Michael? Oh, Michael. Michael, I thought I lost you, Michael. Oh my god. I thought he was. I thought he died. I thought he's back. You're okay. Okay, I'm never dropping you again. I'm not gonna do that ever again. Okay, Michael, we're gonna. Give me a head. Give me. Okay. Okay. You know what, Michael, you're really making me consider it. Okay. because if you do this again, I'll go back on the whole not dropping you thing. This is. Where am I? Why am I here? What am I? No. My head. My head. What is that? Why is there so... We'll give it one shot. We'll give it one shot with him. We'll make it up this, okay? I won't leave you behind, okay? Okay, Michael, I won't. I can't. I have to bring you with me. We've came this far. We've gone so far, Michael. No! I have to try again. I can't give up that quick. I have to. He's been with me this whole time. My closest friend. You stay. No. That's a really revealing position to put yourself in. Not on YouTube, Michael. Save it for other platforms. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Michael, that's bad. Okay. Can we put you there? There. Okay, good. I'm happy that platform was there because he was not gonna stay. How much more? Oh, there's so much more. No! I caught him. Okay. Okay, we're gonna put you right. Holy shit. Okay, no, I'm not trusting you any further than here. Catch. Okay. You could sit there. No, you can't. No, you can't. I can't put you here very easily either, though. That okay, again, not for YouTube. We can make it. I feel like we could do this. I feel like this is a lot more achievable than it. Okay. Well, if you sit the fuck down, Michael. There we go. You are a horrible monkey. Can I put you here and then grab him? Okay, good, good, good. I see the top now. Wait. Wait. No. Oh, oh my god. This is so much. This is so much for the monkey. Michael, I hope you love and appreciate me. Because this is, I'm doing a lot for you. Man, this is, so I'm going above and beyond. No other man would do this much for this monkey. I respect you, and you almost died there. I respect you, Michael. So much that I named you. So much that I brought you this far, and I don't even know where we're... I mean, I do know where we're going now. We're getting out of prison, but I don't know why we are here, or why I took you with me. I just did. Yeah, honestly, I just felt like I should, and then you were here with me in prison, and we both got put in the cell, and they didn't take you away, which, I mean, maybe that's their first mistake. I've seen what you can do, Michael. I've seen you kill people, but I'm not letting you watch me do it. It's too dark. Okay, Michael. We're here. Wait. Where? Michael? Wait. No. Is that Michael? You're up here, right? Right? Like last time? Where you were just like playing a joke on me, right, Michael? Don't do that again. Do not do that again. We made it. Okay, we made it. We made it to the top. I have him with me. Okay. We're gonna get out. This is the exit. It has to be. There's more ammo too. Michael? Wait. No. No. Wait. Michael? No. There can't be. There's two of you. Have you been lying to me, Michael? Are you not? Are you not who I think you are? Are you really Michael? Are you the same monkey I met in the forest, Michael? Are you Michael? I don't know if I can trust you. I don't know what to do with this information. I don't think I can keep you alive. Okay. It's okay. Michael. Okay, we're just gonna go. Oh. Michael, fuck, why didn't you tell me? What are you hiding? What did I do? Wait, no, Michael, come back. Oh shit. Oh god. Oh, I think I'm out. Oh. Oh shit. Oh, I need to move. I need to move. I need to move. Oh. Oh shit. Oh. Oh no. I need to kill him. Okay. Quick. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Oh, I need to get him. Is that all? Michael? And Michael. Michaels. You're here. Both of you have a crown? No. Not for me? Is it for me? No. For Michael. Is this why I brought you here? Are you the king? I need to make a decision on who is Michael and who isn't right here, right now. Because one of you were lying to me. So, I'm gonna take this back real quick. If I can put it on my head, I will. If I can put it on my head, I will. Hey, okay. You know what? Who needs it? Alright. If you're the real Michael, do something Michael would do. He did do that a lot. How about you? You did love that pose. They're both really compelling. I need to choose one and kill the other. Because I don't know how they survived that and a shotgun, but they did. I don't... The stab? The stab wound. Stab. There's no... Any... Is there a stab wound in you? Well... But then... Wait. There's nothing there. But on you... I saw a little mark. Right there. There's a mark. You're the real one. You have the wound. Don't lie to me. Don't you dare. Faker. You're a faker. Okay, Michael. Okay, we can go now. It's safe. The liar is dead now. He won't be bothering us. Okay? Let's go. Michael? No, not again. Not you here. Where are you, Michael? Do I have anything? Nothing. Michael? No. No. He's gotta be here somewhere. His table's empty. Michael? Wait. What do you do? Did you? Michael, first of all, shouldn't be drinking. You're an underage monkey, and I don't have ammo. Hey, sir. I am trying to reunite myself with this monkey, and I'm not letting your banishment. Okay, man. That's it. That's enough. Okay. Michael, I'm gonna take you outside for a second. Please be here when I'm back. Can I load another one after that one's reloaded? Yes, I can. Okay, that's my microphone. Okay, we're just gonna... Oh, whoa. Hey, whoa, hey. I wasn't even aiming for that guy. And I feel bad about that. But, Oh, let me get that. Well, that doesn't work as well as you'd want it to. Oh. Okay, listen. Don't take this personal, but, this is personal. Get that deeper. Don't die on me. Don't do it. Did you just die? Piece of shit. Okay. Michael, you know you're not supposed to be drinking this. You know. You're not supposed to be... You see that, Michael? No more drinking, okay? No more drinking. Let's go, okay? Eyes closed. Just don't look. Just don't... Ooh. Okay, let's keep... Oh, shit, you saw that. Nothing happened, nothing happened. They all fell. They're all really drunk. Okay. No. Hey, okay, here's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna put you in here. Is that all I have? Okay. That's all that I need to do. Okay, you're gonna stay in here for a bit. Till it's safe to come out, okay, Michael? Oh, shit. Michael, oh no! Don't do shit to Michael. I'm free game, but Michael, no. Don't touch Michael. Don't you dare hurt Michael, you okay? You okay? There's a scratch. There's a scratch on him. That's just his mouth, actually. Oh, shit. Oh, God. Okay. Just gotta make sure you're dead.
Help me!
Oh, you're not. Can't really grip on. Okay. You're definitely dead now. Right? Okay. I see you there. Okay, man. Let's not do this. Let's just not. Can I break your arm real quick? Okay. Just gonna do that. Do that. Let's not do this, man. Oh, you can still punch. I was under the impression you wouldn't be able to after that. I'm just gonna... Okay. Let's pull that out. Let's actually do that real quick. Yeah, that's nice and injured. Okay, man. You're really doing most of this to yourself at this point. You could really just like fuck off and it'll be way better. You could still use both of those. Hey, I'm kind of impressed. Okay. I was gonna stab your head into the wall. Oh, let's just... Oh, you're not dead. Okay, let's try this again. You still in there? Well, at this point you probably want to be dead. Yeah, that's probably better. Yeah, okay, that's... Oh shit, Michael, you okay? Michael? You really need to stop getting hurt. Come on. Come on, man. Let's not do this. Ooh, that... Oh, your tail looks a little bit... iffy. Okay, I gotta be careful. I can't just throw him over because there's a fence that he has to make it past. Over. No. Over. Okay. So, let's just get him up here for starters. We're an expert at this point. We're basically the best. Okay. Gotta be really careful here. Did he make it? Wait. Wait. What's that? Oh no, I don't know if he made it. Wait a second, no, wait. Michael? Michael? Please? Is this a joke? No, Michael. Oh. Michael, wait. We've made it so far. Michael? Michael, are you there? Okay, there's gotta be a way to get you. There has to be a way. There's gotta be a way. This has to be. Michael. Just gonna... What's one of these? Fuck, Michael. Dude. Michael. I keep expecting to see him again. Okay, come on. Okay. Okay. Oh, you piece of shit. I had to make sure. God damn it. Fuck it. It's your fucking fault. Michael is gone. So tell me that. Is it really my fault then? Oh God. God, if you never even sent me to that prison in the first place. I'd still be outside. God, there's more. Oh. Oh. This is for Michael, okay? Okay. Stay dead. Okay. Let's just keep going. Stay in there. Fucking Christ. Do you want me to kill you? Is that what this is? You could have just stayed. No one's there? Someone there. Let me check. At this point may as well, right? If Michael's gone, they should be too. Okay, we're gonna get this. There we go. Okay. Yeah. Feeling good about this. Hey, stay down. Okay. Void, spill not this shit again. Michael? Are you around? No. No, of course. Of course. He's gone. He's gone. Okay, let's just go. Was that it? What? Where's my microphone? Whoa! Oh no. I punched my microphone and it was facing a wall. That ending there might have sounded really bad. I'm so sorry about that. I think that is it though, because I'm going back to the main menu. You know, that was really fun. Oh, this is fun. I want to do this again. There's a fun video. If that's the end. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And say hello to your Michael for me.